How you doing, and welcome to another episode of Collecting with Rob. So today I'm going to be showing you off a package that I got in from Official Picks. Had this ordered for I guess a good 2 months now, and just came in. They just did their private signing. Well, it was really done at I believe at like fan expos and comic cons. It's of Ella Purnell from Arcane and Fallout. So we got a couple of pieces, so let's see how it came out. All right, here we go. Let's open it up. If you're new to the channel and you like autograph unboxings, Comic-Cons, collectibles, sideshow, hit that subscribe button. And we have a lot more coming as always. So first, let's show you. This is 11 by 14. Ella Purnell from Fallout. Nice piece. She used to just do an EP as a signature. She finally decided to write out a name more, which makes it much nicer. Ella P. She put with a little exclamation point, and Lucy the character name. So it looks good. Came out good. Nice picture. And then you got your Official Picks shield. It's a nice piece. Ella Purnell. And then she also plays Jinx in Arcane. So I got a little, this is an 8x10. This is a nice picture. You got Vi, Haley Steinfeld's character, and then there's Jinx right there. Ella Purnell. Another great show. 2 really good video game shows. Highly recommend. This was excellent. So Season 2 is coming out for this soon, and then Season 2 will be coming out for this as well soon. So very cool pieces to add to the collection. If you're new to the channel, like I said, hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Happy collecting.